Welcome to our tutorial on how to create a time request in the Desklog. Log into Desklog dashboard. First, access My Desklog to see your timeline. To request changes to the tracked hour, click on the required time slot. A pop-up will appear, asking you to submit the time request with necessary details. Enter the description and choose the type of request. Add task requests, if any. You can either select a task from the drop-down or create a task by selecting the project and entering the task name. Recheck start time and end time. Click the Save button to submit your request. Your requested changes will reflect your timesheet only after approval by the respective authorities. And that's how you can add time requests to make your timesheet accurate.